Hey everybody, Jeremy here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk about symptoms of oxygen sensor failure. O2 sensors assist your vehicle's performance by monitoring fuel, air mixture, and catalytic converters. When they start to fail, your fuel economy and emissions can be affected. It's likely you'll see a check engine light. You might also experience hard starts, a rough idle, misfires, or sluggish acceleration. If your vehicle is 1996 or newer, it's recommended you change your oxygen sensors every 100,000 miles. For older vehicles, the recommendation is closer to 60,000. Since onboard diagnostics were standardized in the mid-90s, you can know for sure which of your O2 sensors is indicating a problem by having your code scanned. You can have your code scanned for free at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store. Before making the decision to change your O2 sensor, it is important to verify that the sensor is really the reason you have a trouble code. A few other reasons you could have a code include a leaky exhaust, leaky intake manifold, a vacuum hose leak, plugged air filter, or poor fuel delivery. This is a short list of other possible issues, and it is important to solve these problems first. A new O2 sensor will not fix other problems. If you've checked everything and determined you need a new O2 sensor, you can find it and the tools you need for replacement at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Then watch our video on how to install it. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.